Pero bakit parang hindi pa rin enough? May mga araw pa rin na hindi talaga kaya. And this is what really helped me. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, pero ang bigat pa rin? That was me lately. Nagjo-journal ako, nakikinig ako ng podcast, nagbabasa ako ng self-help books, and yes, it helps me. I am grateful. I really am. Pero bakit parang hindi pa rin enough? There were days na hindi ko maintindihan yung sarili ko. I feel drained. Wala naman akong ginawa. Journaling helped me kahit papano. Naniname ko yung emotions ko, naiintindihan ko kung ano yung triggers ko. Hindi na siya magulo. Yung utak ko hindi na siya kalat. Kahit papano nagiging clear when I am journaling. Podcast reminded me na hindi lang pala ako. Other people struggled too, and they got through it. And nakaka-inspire lang na makita na kinaya nila. And so will I. So, nai-inspire ko every time I listen to a podcast. But honestly, may mga araw pa rin na hindi talaga kaya. And this is what really helped me, reading the Bible. Hindi siya sa pagiging religious. It is more like, Lord, hindi ko na kaya. Bible reminded me na hindi lang pala ako mag-isa sa lahat ng to. When you open this book, you will know na there is someone handling greater and powerful than we are. And every time na nagbabasa ako nito, it always reminds me na kahit mahina ako, covered ako, that there is someone fighting for me kahit hindi ko na kayang lumaban. So if you feel heavy right now, maybe you are not meant to carry it alone. You can let go and let God carry you.